Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jeff Flash, and I'm continuing where I left up with the funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up videos. This time we got funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 8. Now, a lot of you probably may have got confused on whether if I was reacting to funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 7 or 8, because I did react to funny WWE. The last one I reacted to was funny WWE Alarm Clock number 7, but unfortunately I accidentally mistook it, and when you first watch the video, the title screen of the purple and everything, it said 8, but it really was 7. I apologize for that, okay? I just wasn't paying attention. I just thought I just messed up and everything, so I'm sorry that the title and the video said Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 8 of me reacting to it. I fixed it. I changed the main title of it to me reacting to Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 7. Unfortunately, I couldn't change the editing on when I had it in the intro, when I had the intro, you know, blue and purple thingy, when I had it as Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 8. But at least you guys understand it was Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 7, but this time, this one is going to be Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 8. Just so that way you guys don't get confused. I really apologize. I just was too tired and everything. I just didn't have my mind straight, so I wasn't paying attention, but I realized it after when I looked at the video and everything, but now we're gonna get into Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 8. And of course, I'm not gonna waste any time at all, so let's go ahead and get into it. Like John Cena and Triple H always say, your time is up, my time is now, it's time to play the game. So let's go ahead and get into Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 8, shall we? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay. Monday Night Raw. Ooh, starting off strong with Chris Jericho. That's funny. Did you see the look on Kid Clip's face when he got woken up? That was funny. Tuesday. Ooh, my man The Rock. The Rock's my first favorite superstar. Did you see his face? He just turned around. I love The Rock. Okay.
Hopefully, breakfast.
Hmm.
Wayne, I'll have sausage, bacon, eggs,
Good respawn. I give Kid Clips a thumbs up for that. Wednesday. Oh, Gold Dust. I don't think I remember where that's from, but oh well. Apparently it just woke Kid Clips up. It's just slowly waking up. The Kid Clips just doesn't even want to get up. Oh, here we go. Ha! That was funny. Just mocking him.
gold dust. Like sleep dust.
Sleep dust? Huh. Sleep dust, huh? Okay then. Thursday. Oh, CM Punk. I think I might know what it is. I knew it. Well, that scared him awake. That probably would scare me too, actually. I mean, even though this is fake, but it does make a lot of sense, you know. Friday. Ooh, Brock Lesnar. I remember that. That was from WrestleMania in 2013, WrestleMania 29, when he fought Triple H. He made that weird noise, whatever. It also became part of a meme too. I saw that. I actually have the DVD of it too, so I know where that came from. I didn't see. I actually did saw there was a meme of it where it was some Justin Bieber baby. They made a meme of that, but I haven't seen that yet. But I probably should check it out though, because that does look like it would be funny. Make that a Justin Bieber baby remix with Brock Lesnar screaming. I really need to check that out. Okay, Saturday. Ooh, Shinsuke Nakamura. You see the way he jumped again? Oh, I remember it. Come on! I love that actually. Every time when I just watch matches of Shinsuke Nakamura or something, I just always imitate that because I just like it. Come on! I just love it. Okay.
Come on. Nope.
Alright, I think there's one more. Sunday. Ooh, Vader! The legendary Vader. I think I know what it is. Vader time. Yep. It's a great way to pay homage to Vader. Great. That's a really, really great way to pay homage to WWE legend Vader. Good thing about my game WWE 13, I actually have Vader. Vader's actually part of my game, actually. You won't be able to play him immediately, you have to unlock him in Altitude Era mode, but I did already do that a long time ago, so I already have Vader unlocked.
It's time to wake up. Vader, R.I.P. And it's time for me to end the video. Another week, another 7 days, another 7 alarm clocks. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, put any more suggestions in the comments for more WWE alarm clocks. It's so hard to open my eyes.
Alrighty.
Thanks for watching.
Too sweet. That CM Punk one was funny. I think that was my favorite one. I think I like the CM Punk one the best. Alrighty. So that is it for funny. So that's it, you guys. That's the end of this video. Join me next time we'll react to funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 9. But until then, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You dislike, give it a thumbs down. And until then, this is Joe Flash signing off, and have a good day.